Welcome back to my channel, y'all. It's your girl Kaylin, and today is Sunday. I am doing my hair, and I just wanted to show you guys a natural hair update, give y'all a length check, because I'm going to be straightening my hair today. I am always excited about straightening my hair because I never really do it. I probably do it maybe like twice a year, maybe 3 times a year. But I've been wearing wigs, as you guys know, so it's just always cool to see how long my hair has gotten since the last time I straightened it. Today I am going to be using products from Creme of Nature, their coconut milk line. I got the shampoo and the conditioner. These products are specifically meant to detangle and condition. It says it's for normal hair. I would suggest using this product on natural hair. Of course, you can use it if you don't have natural hair, but specifically natural hair. Let's see how this go. So stay tuned for the transformation. Alright, y'all, so I have successfully washed my hair. This is what my hair is looking like in this curly state. Alright, yep. This is the curly state. Y'all, my hair been in my wig braid, so it's been a lot of shedding going on, but that doesn't worry me. Super cute. So I'm gonna add this leave-in conditioner to my hair before I blow dry it, and then I'm gonna detangle my hair. Now, along with this leave-in conditioner, I'm adding the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Heat Protectant. This stuff works wonders. I love it. It leaves your hair so silky. Now, to blow dry my hair, this is the key to getting like the best results with your silk press. You want to make sure that you're brushing and keeping the heat along the same path. So if you're brushing, then that heat needs to be following with those bristles. Brush all the way down to the ends. Making sure your hair is thoroughly dry is very important as well, and will prevent you from having to go over the hair with the flat iron multiple times. Alright, so I like to turn my heat all the way up to 450 just because when I flat iron my hair, this is the only time I put heat on my hair. If my hair frizzes up after this one time, then that's it. That's all. I'm not putting any more heat on my hair. So as you will see, I don't like to go over the sections more than about 3 times. I try to get it to be good and straight after the second pass. Just because I'm putting a lot of heat on my hair, and going over your hair with this heat is and can be damaging. You want to take your comb and the heat, just like the blow dryer, and follow through all the way down to the ends. As you can see, my comb and the heat is follows. just gonna go over it one more time. Not too much, cause with my hair it just gonna poof right back up. But we get the gist. I feel like this is the best silk press I ever did on myself, like ever. I'm getting better. I'm very proud of it. Y'all can see the length of it. One way to keep your flyaways down is to use a pomade stick, or it may be called a wax stick. This is mine. It's called Don't Touch My Hair. It has coconut oil in it, and it says Edge pomade stick. But just try to get something that has a good hold but not greasy, and it works wonders. And you can go over it with a flat iron. Just comb through, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know I'll see y'all in the next video.